Well, the dollar continued its rally on Friday as the surprisingly good U.S. payroll data was accompanied by surprisingly weak industrial production data from Germany and a sharp downgrade in the German growth outlook by the Bundesbank. We add to that political turmoil in Italy over the weekend as Prime Minister Monti said he'd resign in a few weeks, and former Prime Minister Berlusconi announced that he would be a candidate. Now, just the idea that Mr. Berlusconi might be getting back into office has the market scared for the outlook for the largest of the Eurozone's troubled borrowers. So we have slowing growth, increasing pessimism, and now political turmoil in the largest of the troubled countries. The Eurozone's holiday didn't last for long, but all is not lost. Euro-dollar has bounced off the 128.80 line that's been resistance for some time. This seems to us to be the confirmation of a bottom when it bounced off this morning, and we expect the euro to recover towards the top of that range over the next few days. Now, the focus of attention this week is going to be the two-day Federal Open Market Committee meeting, FOMC meeting, which ends on Wednesday, and the EU summit meeting on Thursday and Friday. The Fed's widely expected to continue its bond buying program. We expect that would be neutral for the dollar unless they come out with some wild change in the amount or duration of bonds that they buy. The EU meeting is likely to discuss a plan, or is going to discuss a plan for greater economic and monetary union, but given the history of that group, I'd say it's unlikely that they come up with any major decisions very quickly. So I think Eurodollar is likely to stay in its range for the next few days while it waits for this news, but probably drift higher towards the top of that range since it's bounced off the bottom several times. So it's likely to be a technical market this week. As investors wait for the news, we recommend that people pay attention to the support and resistance figures for Eurodollar and just trade the range. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Global FX Strategy for IronFX, wishing you good trading.